fact about birds. Ever wondered about the world of birds? These feathery creatures are masters of the sky, navigating across continents effortlessly. Birds come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny hummingbirds to the enormous ostrich. Each species is unique, possessing its own distinct call and plumage. Did you know? Birds are the only creatures with feathers, an exclusive trait that helps them fly, keep warm, and attract mates. Birds aren't just about beauty, they're brainy too. Crows are known for their problem-solving skills, while parrots can mimic human speech. So, next time you spot a bird, remember, there's more to them than meets the eye.